So hello everyone, welcome back to the Codersarts. In this video, we are going to implement the remaining two features of this application. So the first one is the convert method and the second one is the unit update method. Okay, so in this video, we are going to explain the both of the methods here and what we have to implement. So basically these two methods are calling in our above methods. So let's check where it is calling. So we can see we can calling the convert method here and we are using this update spinner method here. Okay, so like what we have to do now, we have to firstly we have to update the unit update unit spinner, and we need this category here. So by using this category we are going to create our update our unit spinner here. So how we can do it, let's start. So in this we have to create a variable var units. Okay, in this unit we need some method, when functionality implemented by the Kotlin. So we are just using it. When select category is okay. So this is the length. So what we have to do, we have to implement the length unit. Okay, and let's move on to the next one. When the category will be the mass, then we need to use the mass unit. And when we need a temperature, so we need to implement the temperature units. Okay, and if else we are using the empty list here. Okay, so we are using these three type of category here so that we can update our the unit spinner. By using this, we are going to create some methods in this as well. So when we select any of the unit, we are going to use this unit in the adapter. So how we can create, we are going to create a unit adapter when unit adapter. Okay, in this unit adapter we are going to use a array adapter here. Okay, which is we are going to use the array adapter. In this array adapter we are just using this, and we are passing the Android r.layout, Android dot layout dot simple spinner item, and we are just passing the units here. Okay, so we are just passing this unit and set up our adapter here, and thereafter we are using this adapter unit unit adapter dot set set drop down resource here. We have to select the drop down resource. What is the drop down resource here? We are going to use the simple spinner drop down outer. So sorry Android dot r dot layout dot simple spinner drop down outer, simple drop down item. Okay, so we are just using this drop down adapter, and we have to set the adapter as well. So unit spinner from, we are using this adapter. So by using this adapter equal to unit adapter, and we need to set this to adapter as well. So unit spinner 2 dot adapter equal to unit adapter. So we are going to use this both adapter here in the both spinner. We are using a single adapter for updating the both spinner. So now what we have to do, we have to implement the convert method as well. So in previous video we can see there is some error, so we are just using this double value, and basically here is some updation I have made. You can check it out later, and then after you have to convert, you have to implement the convert method. So how we can convert it? We have just passing the three things, from unit and the to unit and the value, input value here, and we are using this. So we have to return. Okay, so we are going to create return if return if from unit dot name is Celsius. Okay, like for the temperature case we are using Celsius, SIUS, Celsius, and two unit name is Fahrenheit. And two unit dot name is double equal to AR, that's AHRENHEIT. Okay, so Fahrenheit, so we have to return like if we are selected the from unit Celsius and two unit name is Fahrenheit, so what we have the logic, is input value into 9 by 5 plus 32. Okay, so we are just using this input value here, else if else if from unit dot to name dot name is double equal to Fahrenheit, and two unit dot name is so we have the two unit name equal to Celsius. So just copy pasting it here. So we have to return something which is input value, that minus 32 multiplied by 5 by type. Okay, so these are the basic mathematics formula here. So how we can use it, we can see we are just using this mathematical formula here. So we can see here we are getting some error like the return type is missing into any. Okay, so required double and the change the return type for the main activity dot convert to any. So basically it is required, it is providing a unit here. So let's check what we are what the error that we are facing. So you can see if from unit. So let me check and write all the method here. We will show it clearly. So here is the convert method. So we can see here we have a convert method here. Okay, So we are just passing this value, and we are creating this value and multiply it. So these are the basic formula that we are going to use in our conversion factor. So we are using this conversion factor and return our value to the unit. So these are the basic thing that we have implemented here. So I think we have done with all the coding logics and the implementation. So let's check if this is working or not in the next video. So thank you everyone.